students. I'm giving you the warm welcome that as you know that in the previous classes I have told you noun and its kind. Three kinds I have already completed, that is proper noun, common noun and collective noun. Now my fourth topic is abstract noun. Now the question arises that what do you mean by abstract noun? An abstract noun is a quality, idea, state or something that we can only think but cannot be experienced through our five senses. As you know, our five senses are eyes, skin, nose, ear and tongue. Okay. So, abstract noun cannot be seen. Next is cannot be touched. Next is cannot be smelt. Next cannot be heard and cannot be tasted. So, abstract noun are the quality which only we think but cannot be experienced through our five senses. Now, let's begin with the examples also. On the basis of quality, if we think honesty, wisdom, kindness, bravery, these are all things we only feel but we can't see them or touch them. Next is state. State means if we think about the abstract noun on the basis of state, it is slavery, death, youth, poverty, childhood. Next is action. Action means theft, anger, laughter, life and sight. To make it more clear, I am explaining these things with the help of example. First one, the woodcutter was rewarded for his honesty. This sentence gives the sense of that a woodcutter is a person who is rewarded, means someone is giving the award to him for his honesty. Honesty means the truth which he done in his work. Next is Birbal is known for his wisdom. Here Birbal is known for his wisdom. Wisdom means somebody who has very wise, think wise and do the work very perfectly. So next example, we should show kindness to animals and birds. This sentence gives the sense of kindness. Kindness, we always feel kindness with the animals and birds. So this is also abstract noun because we feel always kindness. Next, Ashok was awarded for his bravery. When you are brave, your bravery is inside within with you. Okay, so it is also a abstract noun. Next, on the basis of state, slavery is a curse to humanity. Slavery means when anybody do the work under a person as a slave. So it is a slavery is a curse to humanity. Nobody can wants to work under any other person. So it is a curse for humanity. Next is death is the natural end of man. Now you think that death, how will we not experience by eyes, but death is also a feeling. When a person sleeps slantly, he is known, the pupils think that he is in death position. Next is youth. Youth is the prime of life. Prime means it is the time of maturity when the power is and vigor is in the most. Next is childhood. Childhood is the best period in man's life. Means childhood, you also have, at this time you are also a child. So childhood is within you. So it is the best period in man's life. Next is, if we feel with the look at the sentences on action. So the thief has been caught for a theft by the police. Theft never be seen. If the police caught a thief, it will be felt only that theft has been done. So theft is an abstract noun here. Next, we should control our anger for peace of mind. Anger is within us. If we felt anger, it will be destroy the life. So we have always should control our anger for peace of mind. Next is laughter. Laughter is also an abstract noun. Sometimes we smile, sometimes we laugh. So laughter is also a abstract noun here. Okay, laughter is the best medicine, you all know that. Next, life is a mixture of joys and sorrows. Life is all of with us, and we are spending a life, but we can't imagine it, or always we feel it. So it is a mixture of joy and sorrow. Next is sight. Sight means which we see through our eyes. Sight of sunrise is a delightful experience. Means when the sunrise begin in the morning, it is a beautiful sight for us. So sight is a abstract noun here. Now I am going to give you the more examples in a listed form. First one is, if you know anything, you have a knowledge of that. Like knowledge, love, freedom, happiness, kingdom, kindness, honesty, beauty, victory, success. All these are the list of abstract noun. When you know anything, you have a knowledge. Okay, so it is also we feel. Then anybody has the knowledge of that thing. So it is a abstract noun. Love is also we feel. Freedom we always feel. Okay, so it is abstract noun. Happiness. Next examples are peace, truth, childhood, friendship, bravery, wisdom, health, joy, strength, and growth. So there is the list of certain examples of abstract noun. Now you should always keep them in mind that abstract noun cannot be seen. For sure, they can only be felt. You can only feel them. They are within you. Okay. So, and it's just the observation what you observe. So the words which I will be speaking out now, they are all the examples of same.